into your eyes, I see we're out of time. I guess no one's to blame, nobody crossed the line. I guess we couldn't see, somehow we couldn't feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high. But I remember days I wondered we were always gonna last. Yeah, I do remember tears and the laughter. How could we fall so fast? Will be no hard goodbyes, thank God we're civilized. We are our separate ways as we fade into gray. But I still miss the way you used to feel.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing absolutely amazing. Today is a school morning, so I am about to leave and do the school run. As you'll have seen me just getting ready to get everyone out the door. I've just made Dylan and Archie's packed lunches. Toby has hot dinner. I also gave them porridge for breakfast, and again Toby has something different. He's not getting left out, he just has different things most of the time. He didn't fancy porridge this morning, and yeah, he has hot dinners at high school, so no packed lunches there. But yeah, I'm gonna get them to school, and then I think I'm gonna go for a little bit of a longer walk home. And when I get back, I've got some work on the laptop to do, so I'll probably make a coffee and do that for a little bit. And I think I'd quite like to have a little trip to B&M and Home Bargains today if I get time, so I will film everything that's new in there, and obviously if I buy anything then I will share whatever it is I've managed to feel like I need whilst I'm in there. And yeah, I don't know where that will take us to in the day, but that is the plan that I've got in mind unless something comes up. But get the kids to school first and then we'll see where we're at.
Let you down, and I know that I was not always around. I made you feel alone. You spent most of your nights just sitting on your own. I should have done so much more, like giving you the things you asked me for. And I know I was wrong. It's what I try to tell you with my song, tell you with my song. What if I said I'm sorry? What if I'd make a scene? Wouldn't that make you mine again? You're all I'll ever need. Didn't I make you laugh? Didn't I make you smile? Didn't I make you feel like you were happy for a while? I know that I've done so many things that let you down, but I hope that you give me one more chance to make you mine. When I close my eyes, you know that you're the only thing I see, and it makes me cry to think that you are no longer with me. What if I said I'm sorry? What if I make a scene? Wouldn't that make you mine again? All I ever need. Didn't I make you laugh? Didn't I make you smile? Didn't I make you feel like you were happy for a while? I know that I've done so many things that let you down, but I hope that you give me one more chance to make you mine. Whoa, whoa. if I said I'm sorry? What if I said I'm sorry? Whoa, 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 whoa. What if I said I'm sorry? What if I said I'm sorry? What if I said I'm sorry? What if I make a scene? Wouldn't that make you mine again? You're all I ever need. Didn't I make you laugh? Didn't I make you smile? Didn't I make you feel like you were happy for a while? What if I said I'm sorry? What if I make a scene? Wouldn't that make you mine again? You're all I ever need. Didn't I make you laugh? Didn't I make you smile? Didn't I make you feel like you were happy for a while? I don't think that I'm being that selfish right now. You said yourself you'd be breaking every vow. I can understand you're tired of this town, and I'm not saying that we have to settle down now. Just remember this: we could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other out there, made us realize we're more than just stardust. Ignore this fact if you must, to do what your dreams are telling you to do. And I'll be out there looking for someone like you. Stardust, stardust. Ooh, yeah. I'm the lazy one, so I guess I should have known. You said yourself you wanna do this alone. What if your dreams are making it hard to think straight? If you still love me, I can wait, I can wait. And remember this: we could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other out there, made us realize we're more than just stardust. Ignore this fact if you must, to do what your dreams are telling you to do. And I'll be out there looking for someone like you. Supposed to go, or maybe I'm just too slow. We should just lean together. We could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other out there, made us realize we're more than just stardust. Ignore this fact if you must, to do what your dreams are telling you to. They're looking for someone like you. Sing, won't you sing with me? Leave everything for me. Stay the night. Oh, miss your flight. Walk through the rain with me. Get soaked to the skin, feel free. Shut the world out. Let's hang out. Oh, I used to see in colors, now it's gray. Till I met you at the concert the other day.
run through the things that I got from B&M. I got a couple of cleaning bits. I got one of these Scrub Daddy dusters, so I'm hoping that'll be good. I'm hoping it'll work okay on the blinds because they just get so dusty and I find it really difficult to get the dust off them. I also got one of these dish brushes. They've got so many different kinds of these now, but I went for the elbow grease one. Also some bin bags just because I was needing some of them. I got a sheet for Toby's bed. I just got one of these inexpensive, simple, everyday range bed sheets in like a dark grey, which was only £4, and then a couple of white pillowcases as well. You could just do with another sheet. I also got him a water bottle because, surprise, surprise, he has broken his. I get through so many water bottles. I say it all the time on my channel because I'm always buying the kids water bottles, just constant. So I got one of these ones out of the special buy aisle. So we'll see how long that one lasts him. Got some hair gel for the kids as well. No preference with that, I just get whatever. Some Rice Krispie Squares for lunch boxes and snacks. Also got some bagels, again for lunch boxes. Just some of these Wolverton thin ones. You get 6 in a pack. These seem to be becoming quite a regular purchase of mine these days. I keep buying so many. I'm going to fill up my, I know it's nowhere near Easter, but I am going to fill up my little Easter jar with them that's got bunny ears on it that I got from Home Bargains one year. And I got 2 bags because I know that one bag only fills it like halfway, so I thought I'd get 2. Yeah, it's really dangerous having these in the kitchen because I just dip my hand in every 10 minutes and get a handful out, and the kids do the same, but I do love a mini egg. I spotted this, thought this was quite a good little gadget. Silicone oven mitt. I don't actually have an oven mitt. This was £1.50 again in the special buy aisle. I was loving the special buy aisle today. Sometimes Toby's starting to use the oven a little bit, like with my supervision obviously, but this will be good for him to use if he's getting anything out the oven because he's doing a little bit of cooking here and there. I also got some coat hangers, just this 12-pack inexpensive ones, £2 for them. And I got some of these. I've already had a bag. I love these baked ones. They've changed the packaging as well for like paper bag, which just feels nicer actually. It's just better. But yeah, the baked Walker's crisps. And if I can manage to not eat them all, they will go in the packed lunches as well. And then I got a couple of bins. So these are just going to be for the boys' bedrooms because they need to have a bin in each of their rooms, and these were just £2 each, so that is just gonna help keep things a little bit tidier. But yeah, that's all of my B&M purchases. Good little haul. Lots of practical things in this one. I steered away from buying any new homeware really. So I'm just about to make us all something to eat for tea. Do you say dinner or tea? I'm a dinner and tea girl, but a lot of people say lunch and dinner, don't they? But I say tea. Depends where you're from, doesn't it? Anyway, I'm going to make some fajitas for us all. And yeah, then I'm going to have a good tidy up. Well, not a good tidy up, a basic power half hour, not even a power hour, and just tidy up a little bit. I've got so much rubbish. I feel like I've got so much cardboard and that from Christmas still. But yeah, I just need to have a straighten up of the house and get everyone fed and get everyone ready for bed. And that is the plan.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the Monday. As the light started our eyes, we let go of disguise. It's been you all along, but I've been too caught up to see it, baby. We can have it all if I just could get myself together. I'm not wasting another minute. If it goes up in flames, I'll take the pain. If I never try to get it, I can just forget it. I'm done playing the waiting game. I'm so
sorry if it's an abrupt end to today's video, but I am going to bed. I am ending the vlog here. That is the end of a busy day. I'm going to go and get a bath, get my pyjamas on and chill in bed. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Give it a big thumbs up if you did, and I would love to see you again for my next one. Bye everyone.